up driving back and forth through Virgin River Gorge on Interstate 15 in Arizona. This is, to me, one of the prettiest stretches of interstate that I've been through. And it starts off going 2 times the speed, so it looks like going 100-some miles per hour, just for the sake of being able to get through the video fairly quickly. Then after going through the main part of the gorge here, this is where we're about to enter the gorge. They had to blast through this part when they were building the highway. But anyway, start into the gorge. This is going about 2 times regular speed, so 100-some miles per hour. Later on, after getting through the really deep part of the gorge, I have the video sped up to 4 times normal speed, so 200-some miles per hour. And then a second video that is driving back through the opposite direction on another day. This first part of the video is driving from south to north, like from Littlefield, Arizona, up towards St. George, Utah. And then later on in the video, there's a clip from driving back a few days later. This one's in the evening. The return back towards the south was in the morning on another day. And it also starts off at 4 times speed and then slows down to 2 times speed for the deep part of the gorge. Having the video sped up wound up speeding up the audio from where I was listening to music on my phone, so that's why everything sounds like it's the Chipmunks, although Chipmunks singing some country and bluegrass music. But I thought it was kind of neat to leave it in there just for fun. Coming up is where the speed is about to increase. It's been going at double regular speed, and it's about to increase to 4 times regular speed, so it's going to look like speeding up to close to 300 miles per hour, and of course having the other traffic speed up too, which makes it seem kind of freaky when a big tractor trailer goes racing by. Going at this fast speed, the next song coming up sounds really funky to me. I think it's the Monroe brothers, Bill and Charlie Monroe, doing New River Train, but it does not sound like it at all because they already go really fast on this and at 4 times the speed. I don't know what parts of the words it's picking up. Now this is driving back towards the south on another morning. This is heading from St. George, Utah. Probably started the video just a little south of St. George, Utah, and heading into Arizona. I forget if this is already across the state line or not, but going south into the Virgin River Gorge along I-15. Again, this is starting off at 4 times speed, so it looks like driving something like 300 miles per hour. It'll slow down to just double speed after getting deeper into the gorge.